Morning everyone. Today is Wednesday. I've just fed Scott and I've just got him to sleep finally. That child is getting so hard to go to sleep now. I have to do some like bloody voodoo magic on him. So yeah, he's just going to sleep. So I'm just pottering around. Mark's been in work since 6 o'clock this morning, and he doesn't finish till 5 because he's doing some overtime for Christmas. So it's going to be a long day till he gets home. So I'm not going to the gym today because my brother can't do it and Lucy's at work. So I was thinking I might just do a little home workout. Otherwise it's like pretty much a whole week that I won't be going for. So I think I might just try and do something at home while Scott's asleep. Then I've got to do some cleaning. And then I might go up to see my mum or see if she wants to come down here because I'm so bored. And the weather's just like... Autumn's officially here, I think. So yeah. Just quite dark and gloomy. It's only like 11 o'clock in the morning and it's already looking like that. So oh, I got my eyelashes done the other day and I hate them. Can't wait till they come off, to be honest. I paid £30 for them and then I looked on eBay and you can get like the whole strip, like 100 eyelashes or something, and it's quite a big pot of glue and it's like under £15. So I think I'm just going to do that next time. It's like I have quite long eyelashes, but since I've had Scott I can't be bothered to do my makeup, and then it's not even just doing makeup, I hate it taking it off at night and my eyes are sore, so I think I might do that. So anyway, I'll take you around with me on my day. So I'm working out at home sometimes to have the working out at the gym. But getting a bit better. I think I need to work on my belly a little bit more. Still got a little bit of fat. And I want to work on my little scrawny arms. So I totally skipped breakfast today because Scott was just not going to sleep for anything. So for lunch I'm just going to have this sausage and mash dinner. Look how nice to make the picture look. They put peas on it and everything, and then yeah. But still living like a student. But I'm just so hungry I don't even care now. But I think I'm going to make something good for dinner. I think I might make some Spanish chicken. Mike don't finish till 5 though, so it depends how long Scott sleeps for. Hopefully, because he's not slept at all this morning since he's got up, that he's going to sleep for a while now, so I can get some stuff done. So I bought these new leggings online the other day. Just for the gym, but I got a size medium. So I tried to shrink them. I looked online and it says if you put it in cold water and then like a really hot tumble dryer that it should shrink. So I'm going to try them on and see what happened. Didn't work. Still so baggy. See it all there. If any of you have any suggestions on how to actually shrink clothes, let me know. I did read that if you put it in a really hot wash and then a really hot tumble dryer, that could work as well. So I might try that, but they're just so baggy. Failed. You got the hiccups. What are you doing? What are you doing? Come on then. Come on then. What? Come on then. Come on then. What? Hi guys, so I was just editing this video and I realised that I've lost most of the footage of that night, so I thought I'd just come on here and just finish it off from what we're doing for the rest of today. I didn't do a lot today, I just went to the gym earlier, and the reason I haven't vlogged much is because I think Scott's going through that 4-month regression stage. I thought it was teething, but I looked more into it and I think that's what it is, and he's just been really fussy and his sleep patterns just been everywhere. I'm trying to get him to sleep in the day and he just won't sleep, and then when I finally do get him to sleep he'll wake up like 15 minutes later, so it's just been a bit crazy. But for the past 2 days now he hasn't slept in the morning like he normally does, he's just slept really long in the afternoon, so I think that's like what is happening now with him. So yeah, that's been a little bit crazy trying to figure out what's going on with him. So that's why I've just been not being able to vlog really, because it's just been a bit stressful. So yeah, he's just in bed now. He's been sleeping for like 3 hours, which is pretty long, but he normally does sleep like every 2 hours in the day, so he does need to catch up, so I suppose that's okay. I need to make some dinner for me and Mark, even though we haven't got a lot in. I haven't been shopping yet. I've got to go shopping tomorrow, so yeah, I'm just going to try and figure out something to make, and then we're just going to chill out for the rest of the day. I'm in my dressing gown already because it's like so cold here in the UK now. It's like, I think it's like 10 degrees Celsius now, so it's pretty cold, and it's like only 5 o'clock, so better get the winter clothes out. So yeah, anyway, I'll vlog in a bit.
Wow, those are Muslims!
Hey?
Isn't it dangerous? Ow! Isn't this dangerous?
No, they got a little fence
This
around it,
flame
haven't they?
there, look, though.
They got a little fence, haven't they?
Come on, Elizabeth, you move on. Is that cool, Mr. Man? Is that warm? Get your little hand in there. Take that, babe, off me. And I'm going to grab his hand. Wow, look at you.
Oh, is that close?
Everyone watching the fire? What's it?
Oh, it's dark, isn't it?
Yeah.
Riley, come on.
I don't want to.
Cool, isn't it?
Eh? Stand on the little ledge. Oh, you are on the ledge.
Yeah.
How much did I owe you? Don't lose it, because you ain't getting it again. You get more Scottish with every gin I have. Where's James? Yep.
Yeah, you know what?
I'm sitting in the back seat here, aren't I? Over there. Yeah. I'll let you help. I'll let you. They're making noise now.
Gotcha! That was very good.
Is he not liking that?